Ready? This is a raffle drum that we're going to spin and represents the early bird entrance for the first drawing of 3 on February 14th, 2010 at 9 o'clock p.m. So I'm here with our auditor, Martha Preston, and she will draw the winning ticket for the first prize, which is $10,000 cash. This set of tickets in here for everyone who purchased up until 5 p.m. today, the 14th of February 2010, has an individual ticket just for this drawing. Then there'll be another ticket also with their name on it for the second early bird drawing on April 15th, and then a third separate ticket for the grand prize drawing on June 26th. The next drawing will be held on April 15th, and people can buy tickets for that drawing and the June 26th drawing if they buy before 5 p.m. Okay, so I think that's a pretty good outline. You ready to draw the winning ticket?
I'm ready.
Okay, I'll spin and spin it really well. Okay. Next, Melissa, go ahead and reach in and draw any tickets you like. Okay. And the winning ticket is Michelle Murray of Kirkland, Washington. So we'll be contacting Michelle and letting her know that she's won $10,000.
Cut.